Hi students, I am Sujata Reddy. I am teaching for you English. Today I am going to start Unit 1 Family. The theme of the first unit is family. In the family, two types of families are there. They are nuclear family and joint family. In nuclear family, you can see here the first photograph with the limited members reflects a nuclear family. In this photograph we can see a husband and a wife with their two children. And joint family. In the joint family we can see the second photograph with many members reflects a joint family. In this photograph we can see the people of three generations. There are grandmother and father, sons and daughters and grandchildren. And today and in this unit we have three readings. Reading A, The Tattered Blanket, written by Kamala Das. Reading B, My Mother, poem, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Reading C, Letter to a Friend. Today I am going to start reading A, The Tattered Blanket. Now we are going to listen a touching story written by Kamala Das. The story deals with the broken family relationships, and in that Gopi, a hero, lived in Delhi with his wife Vimala and 4 children. His widowed elder sister Kamala and 83 years old mother lived in a small village. Gopi came to his house after 5 years. Mother failed to identify him as she lost her memory. How the family relation between mother and son, brother and sister. After 5 years, Gopi came to his house, and 83 years old mother thought her son came to see her, but his widowed sister realized that he did not come to see his mother and widowed sister. In this story, Kamala Das showed emotional relationship in this story. I would like to say a few words about the author Kamala Das. She was born 1932 and died 2009. She is the daughter of the famous Malayalam poet Balamani Amma and V.M. Nair. She is an internationally known poet, short story writer and novelist who writes effortlessly both in English and Malayalam. Now I am going to start the reading A, The Tattered Blanket. The tattered blanket, the tattered means torn. Kamala Das' The Tattered Blanket exposes the bitter truths of life in a stunningly simple manner. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car and got down at the gate, his mother, who was lying in an armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. When he arrived, here he means Gopi. Unexpectedly means suddenly. When he came to countryside means village side, in his office car, when he got down and he came to near the gate, and his mother saw him, and she is sitting in an armchair, and he made a futile attempt to get up, and futile means is a unsuccessful, means she is unable to get up from the armchair because she was very old. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, she said. Somebody is in a car. And mother told her daughter, widowed daughter, her name is Kamala, she told her, somebody is there at the gate. And she said, somebody is in a car. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow, who was sitting huddled up on the tinda on the veranda, her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, got up reluctantly, walked slowly to the gate, and screwing up her eyes, peered into the darkness. And Kamala, her elder daughter, and a widow who was sitting huddled up. Huddled means she closed her legs and she sat on the veranda. And her mother told her to go and see who is there near the gate. And she went to see. And she went to see who is there near the gate. And she, when she saw there, and it was very dark, and she peered and see who was there at the gate. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. And she hear Kamala, and she saw a bald, fat. Bald means, without hair. And fat, middle-aged man walking in through the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice, why this sudden unexpected visit? And when Kamala saw here Gopi, Kamala's brother, and when she saw Gopi and she increased her voice, grating means increased. She increased her voice and asked, why this sudden unexpected visit? Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. And when Kamala was talking to Gopi, mother asked, Kamala, who is there? Gopi, the man said, there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. When mother asked Kamala who was there, then Gopi, the man said, and he said that there was a meeting in Thiruvananthapuram. So on the way, I came back to the house, he said. Who, Kamala, who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. And after explanation from Gopi, again she asked, who? And continuously she was asking who was there. Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala, Gopi's eldest sister asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. Since mother was asking many times who was there, then Kamala said, why you are asking many times, as though you saw him first time, and that when you are asking continuously, it was irritating. So that Kamala told her mother, Amma, it's me, Gopi, he said again. Again Gopi told his mother, Amma, I am Gopi. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheek. Amma, it's me. Again Gopi bent down and he went too close to her mother, and he said, Amma, I am Gopi. Gopi, Gopi, Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Then mother asked Kamala, Gopi, why Gopi came here? Has he got holidays? Like that, mother asked Kamala. Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody, Gopi's sister explained. So Amma was asking continuously who was there, and she was unable to recognize Gopi. Gopi was her son. So then Kamala explained to her brother Gopi that so like this she doesn't recognize anybody. So she was unable to recognize the people. So Kamala explained to her brother Gopi. But sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asks me if you have sent any letter, and she told him. Sometimes she can recognize the people. Her mind is very sharp, and sometimes she cannot recognize the people. When she was all right, when she was can recognize the people, she asks me whether you have written the letters or not. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? Poor thing, I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. Why? I was telling her that everything is fine there, you and Vimala, because mother should not get upset, and she that you are not writing letters from 1 year for a year. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes, and there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Since I got promotion, I was having many meetings. Every time I have to go to tour for the office work. So that is why I am not getting time to write the letters, he told her sister. Why don't you ask Vimala to write, or doesn't she get any time to? Then Kamala asked her brother, okay, you are not having time to write, but why don't you ask your wife Vimala to write letters to your mother? And as though she doesn't have any time, like that she asked. What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. When Gopi and Kamala, when the both were talking, again Amma asked, why are you mumbling? Mumbling means speaking unclearly, slowly. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Again she asked. I heard somebody came in car. And who is that? She asked again. I told you, it's Gopi. Then Kamala told her, Mother, I told you already. He was Gopi. But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Then mother said, Gopi is in Delhi. How he comes here? Like that mother told. Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Then Gopi said to his mother, yes, I am Gopi. I came from Delhi, he told. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said suddenly, lowering her voice. Again, suddenly, mother asked Gopi, who married Gopi? Suddenly, he asked. I mean, what is his wife's name? Then mother told. Again, mother asked, I mean, what is his wife's name? Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Then Kamala got angry. You don't say that you have forgotten her name. Don't you remember? Vimala, district collector Nammiyar's eldest daughter. And Kamala told her. And his wife's name is Vimala, and she was district collector Nammiyar's eldest daughter. Gopi's sister said. Kamala explained to her mother. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? Then she said, I forgot. Again she asked, was there any letter from Gopi? There was. He writes every day.